Hello everyone, my name is Donald Philip. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to add dynamic current year in the footer of your website using JavaScript. So I have my Visual Studio Code open and the browser open towards the right side, and I have the JavaScript external file linked already. So what I'm going to do is add the footer, just a simple copyright symbol, HTML copyright symbol. Then I'll add span here. That's all. Then I'll go into the JavaScript file, and I'll add const current year equals to document dot query selector. So here, then I'll just create, then use the variable current year dot inner HTML equals to new date dot get full year. Then save it. You see the way it is. I've already styled it in CSS. I've already done the footer styling in CSS. So let me just go back into this place. I'll just do all rights reserved, save. So we have all right reserved. Also in the JavaScript, we could do the date into a const. We'll say, put it to the variable and say new dates equals to this new dates that is here. Then we'll now come here and use the variable instead. That should also work. So that's how you create your dynamic. Then this is the CSS styling if you're interested, or if you just want to have an idea of what I did, then you could do yours. So this is just basically how you can add dynamic year onto the footer of your website using JavaScript. If you find value in this video, please consider subscribing and also click the notification button down below to make sure you're always getting our videos as they come out every fortnight. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.